as you can see, it's a really nice gray. I really don't call it a gray. It's more like a gunmetal gray or a silver gray. It's got a really nice finish to it. It's a shame my printer doesn't like to print better than it does, so I'm going to have to sand this part down. But even sanded, there's another part. It only lightens it up a little bit, but I have yet to meet any PLA that sands as fast and as easy as this PLA does. It's strong, very strong. Makes some decent prints if you can get your temperatures dialed in and the speeds done correctly. But you know, it doesn't take a whole lot of effort to sand that down to a nice smooth finish. Took me probably 10-15 minutes to fully sand this entire one piece down. So the last PLA I used that I had to sand parts like this took me almost an hour to sand a single part like this, because it just fought me every tooth in the way. To it's just so dang difficultly hard to, you know, get it to come up. Anyway, it's great PLA, great color, very easy to use, great temperature range, anywhere from 200. Would be careful about going below that. I do 210. That part and this part were both printed at 210. This one was printed at 90 millimeters per second. That one was printed at 120 or 180 millimeters per second. So not much difference, and I have been able to get it to bridge quite nicely with my gigantic 80 millimeter cooling fan solution over there, and I've been able to get it up to speeds of almost 300 millimeters per second before it starts to have problems. Anyway, great product. Definitely would be probably getting more if it wasn't for the fact of that cardboard spool, which makes it really difficult to feed it out of my desktop spool holder. But other than that, great product.
Cheap filament falls apart, unravels in your printer, knots up. Just cheap filament.